So you guys, I decided to hike today. It's the first time in my life I've ever done something like this. And I gotta say, it's one of the hardest things I've ever done. It's pretty tiring. So if you guys are gonna hike, make sure you guys stay up on your cardio. It's very important. Let's continue this. I'm glad to be able to do something I've never tried before. So we'll call that a bucket list check off. But this is definitely tiring. Halfway up. It is definitely a blessing that the snow's been tracked out for us, so it's a little easier to get up, but it's still tiring. So I'm gonna start pushing again. Halfway up. This climb is killing me, but this is gonna be totally worth it. Just a few more feet and I'm up at the top. That is an accomplishment for me. I wouldn't recommend everybody coming in hiking, but if you do, you know you do it at your own risk. Please be careful out there. Stay safe. Stay home if you can. It's what I've been definitely doing for the last few weeks, but I still work at the same time. But I figure there's nobody out on the mountains. Might as well hike it. And as you can see, me and my partner Napa, we're definitely practicing that social distance. It is a beautiful day out here. During all these times when we have so much negativity in the world, people are getting sick, it's a blessing to be able to just get out here and get a little fresh air. A few hours of hiking. It's time to send it. Last part of the run. Let's kill it. Well, that is the end of that. Definitely worth it. Like I said before though, I wouldn't recommend anybody get out here and do this, but if you do, please be careful. Stay safe, stay healthy. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. My goal is to continue to put out weekly content. Mostly is going to be skateboarding and cycling for right now. And can't wait to get back to snowboarding. It was fun doing this. Anyway, have a blessed week, you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. Peace out.
Carpe diem, it's about time that they see how many days that I've been seasoned. And right now I'm like my mama always told me just to go for it. Every time they see me, they say, oh Lord.